Got inverter issues? Wave Engineering BD is your quick fix specialist. At Wave Engineering BD, we specialize in repairing all types of inverters, AC/DC drives, HMIs, PLCs, and servo drives. Our mission? To get you back on track faster than ever. Imagine this. Your textile factory comes to a halt. That's where we step in. Our skilled technicians and engineers work tirelessly to minimize your downtime. We know every second counts. Partnering with top international brands like Siemens, Lenza, and Hitachi, we ensure the highest quality repairs and system integrations. From product supply to complete automation solutions, we handle it all. Worried about the repair time? Don't be. Our team is committed to continually improving turnaround times, ensuring your machinery is back in action within the standard time frame. Why choose Wave Engineering BD? Because we're not just about repairs. We're your partners in keeping your textile operations running smoothly. Say goodbye to costly process downtimes and hello to seamless production. So, next time your inverter gives you trouble, remember, Wave Engineering BD is just a call away. We bring expertise, speed, and quality right to your doorstep. Wave Engineering BD, your quick fix specialists in the heart of Bangladesh's textile industry.